Thank you for the brand for sending this. So I have this 12 by 9 by 2 inch shipping boxes in set of 30 packs, and after using them consistently for my small business shipments, I can give a pretty informed, hands-on evaluation of their performance and value. Right out of the box, the dimensions are exactly as advertised. That internal clearance is important, especially for shipping items like books, cosmetics, or small electronics, because it leaves just enough room for protective padding like bubble wrap or craft paper without overstuffing. The cardboard quality is a solid for this price range. These boxes appear to be made from a single wall corrugated cardboard, likely in the E-flute or B-flute range. In practical terms, I tested them with items weighing between 0.5 pounds and 4 pounds, and they held their shape without bending or collapsing. For lightweight to medium weight products, they offer sufficient compression resistance during stacking and transit. One thing that I really appreciate is the fold and tack design. Each box assembles in under 10 seconds without needing tape for the base, which is a huge efficiency boost when packing 20 to 30 orders in one go. Compared to traditional slotted containers that require taping both top and bottom, this design cuts packing time by at least 25 to 30% in my workflow. What sets these boxes apart from competitors or others is the balance between quantity and consistency. In many budget 25 to 50 pack options, I've noticed an even die cutting or weak fold lines, but all 30 units in this set were uniform. No misaligned flaps or crash corners. That level of quality control is something I typically only see in slightly higher price packaging supplies. From a buyer's perspective, the key decision-making factors here are load capacity, best suited for items under 5 pounds, assembly efficiency, toll-free folding saves measurable time, cost per unit with 30 boxes, the per box price is very competitive. Overall, these shipping boxes are a reliable choice for small businesses or anyone doing frequent shipping. They deliver consistent structural integrity, practical sizing, and efficient assembly. Exactly what you need for streamlined packaging operations without overspending.